Welcome to the Commissions tutorial. This tutorial will show you the basics of how to set up commissions to be paid to an employee for services sold or completed. For our example, we will set up a commission to pay a salesperson for a year on a recurring service. To begin setting up commissions in PestPac, select Lookup Tables from the Company menu. Then click on the Commission Types link. Click on the Add Commission Type button. In the Commission Type field, enter a short code for this commission, then use the Description field for more details. You can then select whether to pay this commission by service number or number of months. The Start and Finish fields govern the number of services or months over which this commission is to be paid and are set at 1 through infinity by default. If default values are used, an employee assigned this commission type will be paid every time a service is done for the life of the contract. If you wish to pay commission on only the first 12 services of a customer's recurring service, select Commission by Service Number and enter a start of 1 and a finish of 12. Commission will be calculated for the first 12 completed jobs. Starting with the 13th service, no further commission will be paid. If you choose to pay by number of months, the Start and Finish fields will represent the number of months the commission will be paid, regardless of how many services are performed in that time period. If your customer gets twice monthly service and you set the start month to 1 and the finish month to 12, the employee will get commission for 24 services performed in the 12-month period. For our example, to set this commission type to pay for only the first 12 months a service is performed, we will select the Number of Months option, leave 1 in the Start field, and replace infinity in the Finish field with 12. We can then set the rate. The rate is entered as a whole number, so entering 10.000 indicates that this commission type will pay 10%. The Bonus field can be used to add a fixed dollar amount to be paid, either in addition to or instead of a percentage. With our options set, we can save this commission type by clicking on the Save button. The new commission type we have created will now be in the list of commission types. Click Exit to return to the Lookup Tables screen. We now need to set up the employee to be eligible to receive this commission. We start by clicking on the Employee Lookup Table. From the list of employees, we click Edit next to the employee to whom we wish to assign the new commission. Under the Technician Setup heading, click on Commissions to display the commission profile. You have the option to copy commission setup from another technician by checking this checkbox and selecting another employee in the system. This allows PestPac to copy the entire commission profile of an existing employee to this one. In this example, we will set up the commission manually. The salesperson is to be paid 10% every time a pest control service he or she has sold is completed within the first year of the contract. To do this, click on the Service Class field and press the Page Down key on the keyboard to bring up a list of available service classes to choose from. Press the Tab key on the keyboard to move the cursor to the Service Code field, since the employee will be paid commission for any service within the class selected. Press Tab again to move the cursor to the Role field, and the Service Code field will show default, indicating that all services within the class selected will be assigned this commission. In the Role field, press the Page Down key on the keyboard to bring up a list of roles to choose from. Choosing the Sales role will instruct PestPac to award this employee commission only when he or she is the salesperson. Finally, select the new commission type just added to indicate the rate and duration for which commission will be paid. You must now choose whether to pay this employee on production, receipt, or upfront. If production is selected, the commission due will show up on a commission report upon posting an order where this employee is assigned the sales role. If receipt is selected, the commission due will show up on a commission report upon entering a payment against an invoice this employee is assigned to. Lastly, if you choose to pay up front, the commission due will show up on a commission report as soon as the order or recurring setup is created and saved. For this example, the employee will be paid on production. Remember to return to the top of the screen and click Save when you have completed setup of an employee's commission profile. To see the commission that will be paid on an order, navigate to a customer's location detail screen. Click on the Order Number link to open the order assigned to the technician the commission is set up for. Click the Edit button, then the Save button. This will refresh the order to show the correct amount of commission due. In our example, the employee is set to be paid on production, so this amount will appear on the commission report once the order is posted. This concludes the commission setup tutorial. Thank you.